So taking a look at the retail box, it does look pretty good. It shows you a picture of the headphones, and on the side there is a window where you actually see the headphones themselves. Really good. So on the side here, I'm just going to go over a few of the technical details. So first of all, these headphones do have an impedance of 250 ohms and a sound pressure level of 96 dB. So that means they're going to be a little bit harder to drive than most headphones. So what that means is that you're probably going to need a headphone amplifier to drive these headphones. Driving these headphones directly from your smartphone will probably not give you the best sound. These headphones do weigh about 250 grams, and they do have a coiled audio cable that's 3 meters long or about 10 feet. So the DT1990s are meant to be used as studio headphones for mixing and mastering. They are supposed to have a wide sound stage, and they do have a boost in the treble and bass. Alright, with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and unbox these, and I'm going to give you guys my first impression of them. So here we go. Just pull them out just like that. There's some additional stuff in here. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. They do have the product guarantee here. Then they have a little product information booklet. Then they have a nice little carrying bag. This is Beyerdynamic, and it does have a little clear pouch here where you can put your name and address in case your headphones get lost. They'll get returned to you. And that's it. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the DT1990 Pro headphones. Okay, so here are the DT1990 Pro headphones. First thing I noticed is they're very, very light. I mean, comparing these to the DT1770 Pros, which I owned previously, these are a lot lighter than that. One thing I didn't like about the DT1770 Pros is that they were quite heavy, and you definitely notice them on your head. These are much lighter, and you're not going to notice them that much on your head. So I'm interested in these for not only music, but also for gaming. The fact that they're so light is going to be a definite plus for me. The other important thing I noticed is that this audio cable here is not detachable.